I've been walking through the storm, wind cutting to the bone. Raindrops feel like teardrops. Lord, I'm out here all alone, but I keep on moving. Though my feet are heavy clay, got my head down, eyes forward, know the sun gon' shine one day. Frost on my window, cold creeping up my spine. Winter's got its hold on me, but summer's still on my mind. I can feel that warm breeze, even when the nights are long. Ain't nothing lasts forever, gotta hold on till it's gone. Oh, I dream of sunshine on my rainy days. Let it break through the clouds, burn these blues away. I know the storm is rough, but I won't be afraid, 'cause I dream of sunshine on my rainy days. Every trial's got a lesson, every climb's got a fall. Some folks out here winning, while some lose it all. But you can win at losing, at winning too. Long as you keep playing, one day